Master Padma said, Tsogyal, if you have faith in your heart, you must make it endure. If you don't, you must make it arise. To lack faith is like trying to make charcoal white. You are severed from the virtues of the path of liberation. To lack faith is like being a gemstone at the bottom of the ocean. You are enmeshed in the depths of samsaric existence. To lack faith is like being in a boat without oars. You cannot cross the sea. To lack faith is like sowing grains in rigid and uncultivated though fertile soil. Not a single virtue survives. To lack faith is like a seed that has been scorched by fire. The sprouts of enlightenment don't grow. To lack faith is like traveling through fearful places without an escort. You won't overcome the enemy of disturbing emotions.